Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Please sit.
Thank you, ma'am.
So let's start with the revision class of block 14, light and shadow.
Shadow.
Okay. In the first lesson, we have learnt about two types of objects. Okay. Let's start from Vidiksha. Vidiksha, what are the two types of objects we have learnt?
Luminous and non-luminous.
Can you repeat one more time?
Luminous and non-luminous objects.
Very good. Ceci, can you tell me what do you mean by luminous objects?
Luminous means that it can give you its own light.
The objects which can give its own light are called luminous. Manasvi, can you tell me what are the non-luminous? Please sit down, Ceci. Non-luminous objects are the objects which do not give the light of their own. Yes, please sit down. So the things which give out their own light, they are called as light sources of light. Light sources. Yes. So, Rayan, can you give me some examples of luminous objects? Sun, stars. Name some human-made objects. Bulb, very good. Steady lamp, very good. Please sit down. Priyansh, can you tell me some animals which are luminous?
Jellyfish and firefly.
Very good. Jellyfish and firefly. Very good. Please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, can you tell me some non-luminous objects? Non-luminous objects. Give examples of non-luminous objects. Huh? Ah. Book, very good. And board.
Pencil.
Huh?
Pencil.
Pencil, very good. Please sit down. Now, Vikun, can you tell me why a moon is not a luminous object?
Moon does not have light their own.
Moon does not have light of its own, but in the night we can see the light from the moon, no?
Sun gives moon.
Yes, the moon, what does it do? It bounces the light from the sun. It does not have light of its own. Very good, Vikun. Please sit down. So this is our lesson number 1, children. Now let's move on to the lesson number 2. Let's start with Soumya. Soumya, lesson number 2 is how light helps us to see. Now think that there is a ball in front of you. How you will see?
Ma'am, first the light directly goes into our eyes.
No, I'm talking about a thing is there in front of you and you are able to see that ball. How will that happen?
Light falls onto the ball
Yes. After that, what happens?
and our brain creates a picture.
It light falls onto the ball, directly it will create the picture. The brain will create the picture.
Our eyes will see and the brain will creates a picture. This sensation will tell the opaque nerves and through the brain what we are seeing.
Don't get confused. Step by step you remember. You told correct only, but up and down you have said. Do remember that first the light falls onto the object and that light bounces to our eyes. And when the light is falling onto the eyes, then the optic nerves which are present in our eyes will be carrying that information to the brain. And then brain will be processing what object we have seen, and it will be telling us, okay, you have seen a ball or a flower or a pencil, whatever you are seeing. Okay, now please sit down. Manasvi, how can you directly see a light source? Now for example, you have to see a bulb. What is happening when you are seeing a bulb? Avantika, what is happening when you look at the bulb? What is happening? Yes, Vidyamna.
Ma'am, the bulb light will directly fall onto our eyes and it creates a picture of the bulb.
What creates the picture of the bulb? That sensation has to carry to the brain through the help of, with the help of, why you are missing that step? So first it will fall onto our eyes, the light rays will fall onto our eyes, then that nerve which are present in our eyes, those nerves are called optic nerves. What do we call that?
Optic nerve.
Sit down. These optic nerves will be carrying that information that something is falling onto eyes to the brain, and the brain will be analyzing what we are seeing, what is falling onto our eyes, and then it will tell us what you are seeing. Is it the object you are seeing or directly the light source? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaitanya? Yes, Chaitanya. What will happen when there are two luminous objects? Which will be seen more? Now in a bright light you have a TV and sunlight. Which will be seeing more? Devika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sun. Why?
The sun brightness falls on TV.
See, there are two luminous objects. So, whichever the brightness is more, please sit down. Brightness is more, that you will be able to see. Okay. So, when you have a TV or a bulb also, you have a bulb and you have a sunlight. So, which brightness is more? Sun. So, whichever the brightness is more, that you will be able to see. Okay. So, this is our lesson 2. Now, let's move on to lesson 3. Let's move on to the third lesson, shadows, shapes and shadows. Hana Zoe, can you tell me what are the things required to form a shadow first? Loudly you say, Hana Zoe, what are the things should be there to form a shadow? Object, light source, very good, and wall. Every time it will not be a wall, no, when you are going out, the shadow where it will be falling? On the ground. So sometimes it is wall, sometimes it is ground. So instead of telling wall and ground, what else you have? Yes, Chaitanya? Screen. Okay. The light source, object that blocks the light, and the screen should be there to form the shadow. Very good. Please sit down. Now, the shape of the object will be same as the shape of the shadow. Now let's start from Vidiksha again. Vidiksha, will the shape of the shadow and the shape of the objects will be the same? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Okay. Ceci, can you give an example? The shadow will be different. Tell me how it will be different. How can you say that a shadow of a thing will be different? Manasvi? Yes, Rayan?
Changing the object.
Changing the object or changing the position of the light source? Changing the position of the light source. Please sit down. So, if you take an example of cylinder, please sit down. So, if you are putting the light source near the circle side of the cylinder, the shadow will be.
Circle only.
But if you put it from the top,
Square.
rectangle. So, based on the position of the light source, the shape of the shadow will also change. Okay, and with your hands you can make different animals, right? Yes or no? You can make some dogs, cats, rabbits, I don't know, butterflies. All these shadows you can make. Are you bringing the real animals there? No, with the help of your hands only you can make a shadow.
Shadow.
Yes. So, why the shadow is formed? My question. Who will tell me? Yes, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, first light object is blocking the light.
Object is blocking the light. So, the objects like glass, will it block the light? No. So, what are those objects called? The objects which do not block the sunlight or the light source, light, what are they called? Manaswini? What are those called? Anybody? Yes, Priyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the things? What are those things that do not block the sunlight are called as?
It's a box.
I'm not asking you the example. I'm asking you the name of the objects that do not block the light.
The name of the object is
Yes, Chaitanya.
glass.
What are those things? Only glass do not allow? Anybody? Yes, Manaswini. Yes, Vidyamna.
Transparent.
Transparent objects. Very good. Please sit down. Everybody sit down. The things which do not block, that means which allow the light rays to pass through them, those are called transparent objects. Okay, those objects do not form the shadow. Only the objects which block the light source or the light, they only form shadow. Am I clear, children? So this is lesson number 3. Now let's move on to the 4th lesson, changing size of shadow. How will the size of the shadow changes? Who will tell me? Yes, Manasvi, sorry. Now I'll give you an example. You have a light source. You have an object. You have a screen. Put your hands down. Now the shadow is formed. How to make the shadow big? Back what? You should move the object. Which side? Towards the screen or towards the light source? Very good. When we have to make it small? Very good. Please sit down. So we can change the size of the shadow by moving the object towards the light or the screen. Like Manasvi said, we have to move the object towards the light source to make the shadow big. So when you are making it big, that means you are moving the object towards the light source. That means from where it is getting away. Yes, Soumya?
Ma'am, it is getting away from the screen.
It is getting away from the screen. To make it small, we are moving the object towards the screen. Then from where it is moving away? Yes, Lakshmika? Huh? Sit down. Yes, Manaswini Reddy? To away from the light source, you are ready to say. Away from the light source. Do remember, children. Okay? When the object is moving towards the light, that is away from the screen, or towards the screen, that is away from the light source. Based on those conditions only, the shadow will become big or small. Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.